Let's find out what's happening this month in Around Mount Vernon. Build an emergency kit for National Preparedness Month. During an emergency, you could lose important services such as electricity, water, phones, or transit. Whether you shelter in place or leave your home suddenly, an emergency kit is an important part of being prepared for the unexpected. You should have enough supplies to help you, your household, and your pets cope without services for 72 hours or more. Visit Ready.gov/kit for resources and information on how to tackle this crucial task. And if you already have an emergency kit, now is a great time to check it and replace any expired supplies. The Fire Station 3 renovation is complete. This 12-month project adds several enhancements to the structure of the facility, address structural issues, increased capacity for future response, and provides for best practices relating to health and safety of fire department personnel. Come and check out the new apparatus bay, additional office space, community room, and safety upgrades at the September 30th grand opening. Preparation begins for the new regulation-sized soccer field being installed at Hillcrest Park. The pine trees along 13th Street, from Blackburn to the entrance of the park, have been removed, and the Parks Department is planning on recycling the trees within the park system. Some logs will be used as landscaping, and the remaining limbs will be chipped and used as mulch in planter beds and around trees. New trees will be replanted once the construction of the soccer fields is complete. City Library Assistant Jesusita Leon Palma was honored with the prestigious Association of Bookmobile and Outreach Services Patty Johnston Outreach Award for her commitment to promoting literacy, her willingness to embrace new responsibilities, and her ability to foster a love of reading. You will find Jesusita at outreach events, giving presentations, helping people become first-time library users, and making lifelong connections to learning in migrant preschools. And finally, the Fall-Winter Parks and Enrichment Services Activity Guide has been released. Sign up now for youth and adult programs, volunteer opportunities, special events, and more. That's it for this month. Subscribe to stay connected to what's going on around Mount Vernon.